Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Rogan Reactions.
And it is the time to test the 16 Pro Max versus the 17 Pro Max.
What phone is this?
Here we go. So we're gonna do some photo tests. We're gonna compare the ultra wide, the wide, the telephoto, the zoom, and of course 48 megapixels on the lenses. We're gonna see just on the telephoto to see how it looks, and because that's the new feature, so that's what we want to compare. So let's get into it. All right, so we got the 16 Pro Max and the 17 Pro Max. Look at the brightness difference here.
What a brightness difference, eh?
Look at that. He's doing a voiceover. I mean,
Hey,
you can tell it's so much brighter. They're both at max, and the 17 Pro Max is killing it.
It's so much brighter, eh?
All right, so we're gonna test the
Big
1X
A.
now. Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. 1X check. Now to the 17. All right, so he's about like a arm's distance away from me, just a little over arm's distance. Maybe stick out your arm. So as you can see, our hands overlap there. So that's how far we are. And this is on the 1X. 3, 2, 1. All right, so now we're gonna do the ultra wide. Let's get it. Here we go. Ultra wide on the 16 Pro Max. Woo! Now we're gonna do the ultra wide on the 17 Pro Max. Let's get it. Woo!
Hey there, bud.
Now we're gonna get to 2X, which is the 1X lens cropped
I
in
get
from
2-4
48
at Walmart. Hey
megapixels.
there, bud. Hey there, bud.
3, 2, 1. Okay. All right, so now with the 2X on the 17 Pro Max. Here we go.
Hey there, bud.
Now he's gonna back up and we're gonna test the 5X. Okay, so he's all the way in the back. I counted 10 feet of my feet, 10 all the way back. So that's the calculation, and we're going 5X here.
Hey there,
3,
bud.
2, 1. There we go. All right, so with the 17 Pro Max, the difference is that we have 4X at 48 megapixels and 8X cropped in at 12 megapixels. So it's a little bit of a gray area, if you will. It's not really true optical 8X zoom, as though Apple likes to call it optical zoom. But we're gonna show you the difference here right now. All right, so here's the 4X. Okay, so we got the 4X. Now I'm gonna crop into 8X, which is at 12 megapixels. There's no 48 megapixels at 8X, so that's kind of the catch there. But he's 10 feet away from me. Wow, it's like a portrait from a distance. Boom, look at that. So he's gonna go into the distance, 10 feet again, and we're gonna take a photo with the 16 Pro Max and 17 Pro Max at 48 megapixels. Now remember, like I said, 48 megapixels is not an option on the 8X lens. So you get 48 megapixels on the telephoto, but now instead of 5X, it's 4X. Kind of weird the way they did that, but anyways, we're gonna enable 48 megapixels, and we're gonna zoom in at 5X. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, so that was 5X on the 16 Pro. Now I'm gonna do it on the 17 Pro, but it's only 4X at 48 megapixels. Okay, so I'm gonna enable 48 megapixels, and we're gonna go into 4X. See, if I go into 8X, I'll take a photo for you anyways, but I don't believe it's 48 megapixels. But we'll put it up anyways, so let's have a look. All right, so now we're gonna do some video tests. We're gonna record video like a vlog. I'm gonna zoom with the different lenses. And then also we're gonna do action mode. We're gonna test out and see how good action mode is. We're gonna do some running. And then that's our favorite test. We love doing the running. He hates it. We're also gonna test out cinematic mode, see if anything's improved. They didn't really say, but maybe the AI is better on the 17 Pro Max. Who knows?
Who knows?
Let's see. All right, so we're vlogging on the 16 Pro Max. This is the 1X lens. I'm gonna go ultra wide. You can see our setup. Boom, that's the setup. We're gonna go now into 2X, and I'm walking back, 5X zoom, looking dapper. Back to 1X. Let's do the 17. Now we're on the 1X. I'm gonna go to 0.5X. This is the 17 Pro Max. Looking good. We're gonna start zooming in here. This is 2X. This is 4x, not 5x, like on the 16 Pro, and now 8x. I have to move like really far back here, and I'll show you how far back I am. So this is me at 8x, and then 4x, 2x, 1x, ultra wide. So you can see how far I am all the way to 8x. Isn't that insane? Crazy. This is cinematic mode. We're vlogging on the 16 Pro Max. It's doing a pretty good job. Let's see how it cuts out the camera. Not that bad. It looks ever so slightly better than the 16s in our other review. That's 2x, back to 1x, and we're recording in 4K 30. This is cinematic mode now on the 17 Pro Max, 4K 30. Again, doing a pretty good job cutting out the camera. It's actually doing not bad. Might even be better. This is 2x, and as you can see, we got the wind filter there, and it did a pretty good job of cutting it out. This might be a little better. I don't know. Leave your thoughts in the comment. Okay, so we're running on the 16 Pro Max. Here we go. I'm shaking with one hand, and it's very unstable. It looks crazy. Let us know. All right, this is 1x action mode on the 16 Pro Max. We're running. My hand is shaking. I'm holding it one-handed. How does it look? Does it look stable? Let us know in the comments.
Oh, metal.
Here we go. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max action mode disabled. So it's just handheld recording, and I'm shaking my hand. How does it look? Let us know. All right, this is 1x action mode on the 17 Pro Max. Let's go for a run. Does it look any more stabler? Let us know. I'm shaking my hand pretty good right now. Woo! So we've changed locations here and outfits apparently. We forgot to do selfie cameras, which is very important. In this year's iPhone 17
very
series.
important because we're gonna film how it zooms out for other people when they join in
the
the
new
selfie.
center stage front selfie camera.
Yes.
It's a great feature, so we're gonna test it out here and show you how it works. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Here we go.
So see, he has to turn it sideways here, but we're gonna, yeah, okay.
There we go.
Perfect. So we got a selfie on that.
Let's go.
Now we're gonna get a selfie on the 17 and the new center stage. So first we'll just do a regular selfie. So I don't have to turn it this way anymore to do a selfie. I could hold it like this, and it's just the same as with the previous models when you had to turn it like this. The reason we turn our phones like this is because the sensor is like the shape of a phone, right? So if you want a wider field of view, you turn it rectangle and then you get wider. But now the sensor is a perfect square, a perfect 1:1 ratio. So that means that it doesn't matter which way you turn, it's wide. And it's even wider now. They made a bigger sensor, 18 megapixels. So right here, as soon as he gets in here, we're gonna zoom it out. Oh yeah, there you go. Well, that was already wider. But now we're gonna try and see how far we can get. So this is on the widest, okay? So I'm gonna start on this side here. You can't see this right now, but right? So you can see how far we are apart. We're like an arm's length apart, and we fit in the photo no problem. It's awesome. It's a cool feature. All right, so before we get into the photo test,
Geekbench for all you geeks out there. Hey!
We love Geekbench tests, don't we?
Geekbench, let's
go
go.
through some quick scores here. So first of all, on the 16 Pro Max CPU score,
Woo!
we have the single core score on the 16 Pro Max.
3473. Let's go, baby.
And on the 17 Pro Max,
the single core score is 3749, baby.
Then moving on
That's
to
a
the
difference
CPU,
of $300.
It's not that much of a difference, but now the multi-core scores where you'll notice a little more of a difference. On the multi-core scores,
8581.
Boom.
Woo!
And then on the 17 Pro Max,
95 96. 95 96. Like counting. 95
we're
96.
going from A18 Pro to A19 Pro. So there's obviously a difference there. Now wait till you hear the metal
this is gonna
metal
be good.
score. Okay, you ready for this?
The
16
metal
Pro Max
score.
metal score.
It's a 32,419.
And on the 17 Pro Max,
It's a difference of 45,507. Woo! Big difference.
10,000
At
points.
10,000 points, baby. 10,000.
Ah, you gotta love it. A19 Pro, beast. That's all our tests on the 2 different phones, 16 Pro Max and 17 Pro Max. Let us know your thoughts. Did you see a difference in the photos and the videos? What do you think of all the photos and videos? So let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this review. Check out our iPhone 16 versus 17 review, and also check out the brand new iPhone Air. And check out our unboxing if you haven't seen it. Links all down below. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next one. Peace.